So you find out say boy them need
that
to deal with,
man.
deal with it. But what are the difference now between the medical marijuana and the ital marijuana?
Alright, you are going now to still.
It's the mindset, free your mind, free your mind. Mindset, free your mind, free your mind. Hey, not everything is gone. Everything that's fine is slow. On the mindset, I just started. Oh, words from the wise, I just started. You will never lie. Stand tall, you will never die. Will forever shine. I just star, shine like stars, sky. Some hate, some love.
Juice, Dr. Knife to the program.
Yes, I give rises.
Manners and respect.
Yes,
warm welcome.
Yes, I give rises.
Yes, sir. It's a great honor.
Sure. Give thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
And if there's a reason, one's a one same day.
Yeah, man. Give thanks, my lord. First and foremost, my lord, we want to get straight to the point. See, because there's a lot of speak about in-house growing marijuana and outdoor growing marijuana. See, we see the in-house growing, it's more widely in America and Europe and these places. Not so much in Jamaica, but we can see it's creeping in Jamaica.
I'm going to show you something going on. People look on space and place and time. In-house and greenhouse farming take off in spaces that don't have the kind of sunshine that we have, the amount of sunlight we have. So if you find that Europe and America only have 3 hours with 3 months of sunshine, but them need to have products straight through the year. They are engaged in creating that kind of setup, which is in-house growing of plants, generally, including ganja. No, it is different when we learn at the tropics because remember, I know that the actives in the plant, the cannabinoids in the herb, stimulated by what? Sunshine. Now light can make plants grow, but light, as in artificial lighting, can stimulate the production of the THC and the cannabinoids. That's when we put other actives on the plants to get those things boosted. Now in the Caribbean, remember we know what the plants need. They need high altitude, long hours of sunlight. Jamaica have both of those. That's why Jamaica is the best place to plant it. We can go to Dominica as well, the next mountainous place, or St. Lucia. On the other hand, if you go to like a Barbados now, or an Antigua or a Cayman, you know, so more flat places, them can grow herbs, but not the herbs to get the high potency in terms of the THC or the CBD and the CBN. Them can grow herbs as food to get like the seed. I remember we know the importance of the seed in terms of linoleic and linoleic, that the same ratio in your brain, the 1 to 3 ratio, is the only seed that have that ratio, you know. So you can use it for human consumption, you can use it for bird consumption, because again, it's still the preferred seed by most birds. That's what I mean. So, and if you look at now like a Guyana, a Belize and a Suriname, which are mainland places, which are continental space, we have large acreage of land, them can now look on the male part of the plant, which is the end production. So in the Caribbean itself, based on the topography of the space itself, with the open sunlight that I have, you can actually produce both male and female plants to get different products along the entire value chain. And that's what the region actually have, you know. Jamaica can say do it, but again, sometimes it's best to focus on an area where you know you have a certain kind of advantage. So, like Jamaica is known for wellness, you know. So the word I mean a state of wellness or the absence of stress. So the believability of Jamaica with use of herbs is that say get rid of stress, which is #1 killer of people across the globe. True. The #2 killer now is the thing where kill a lot of European people, which is Parkinson, Alzheimer's, which are things that are dementia-related illnesses. So they want to produce a lot of herb with CBD, because CBD is used to treat dementia-related problems.
Yes,
now the THC is a part of the agents now that give you this iriness, which remove the stress. And stress is the #1 killer. So Caribbean people have look at producing things that what? Get rid of stress. Whether you put it in terms of functional food, which means that I might create a chocolate, which I know the chocolate have the most digestive enzymes, but I infuse a sativa herb in it now. So you not only say yeah, get the most digestive enzyme, you also I think that build the immune system fastest. So imagine if I get one who have HIV, AIDS, or cancer, or anorexia, who who needs to eat a chocolate infused with THC night. He's not gonna like it's like the best tablet he's gonna take in his life.
That's true. That's true. And it work both ways pan where I say with the CBD and the THC, because we there saying at the sun now. And you know say most of Jamaica people, because of poverty then.
Yeah.
Stress out the people.
Yes, I.
See, so the THC come in.
Yes, I.
Important.
Very, very, very important, man. Fire. And that's why I say Jamaica now. Check it now. This is the irony of Jamaica. Jamaica one of the highest homicide rates, they argue. But they say Jamaica the highest happiness index. So it's not about people happy in a violent space. It means that even we have a space where I can show in terms of GIS mappings where you have concentrated areas of these kind of problems. The majority of the place the people are in themselves. And it have to do with the food, the music and herbs. And all them know that, you know. Everybody know that. Food, music and herbs is the tree king in Jamaica. You may tell you, and the man them deny the tree king and all them related to Rastafari. And that's why Jamaica find itself in the problem, because when the man them start to follow people that about herbs give problem to people to the psychosis. Is Rastafari them that fighting up? True. You understand me I say no?
Yes, sir.
And because they use the word herb now, them start to fight down every herb. So the man now use no rosemary. I know all man leave him have a headache, him go and buy a Fenzik. They give him something more than a headache afterwards. You understand me? See? You don't want no vervine, you don't want no jack in the bush, you don't need any of those herbs because herbs make you mad. That's the evil the state did to the people, you know, by trying to make ganja as an herb look like it's bad now. Because I never refer to ganja as herb.
And at the same time benefiting from an economical stance because of the pharmaceutical, they call it now.
Yeah man, they want to control the market for you.
Yeah.
I remember, you know, you see, people must realize the scene, this whole thing of herb. Remember, we know that every living being have what is called an endocannabinoid system, which means the IAMP design a system that allows it to accept and absorb efficiently and effectively the cannabinoids from herb. And one of the major function was to prevent cancers caused by ultraviolet rays. And that's the beauty of THC in the herb in the fire. I don't want to go and feel like say bright to bright. You know. We're in the information age fireball scene. Everyone go online. You can see the research that is being done and you can get the references that is being made of the research so you can cross check it if you want.
True.
See, and them guys never make no information for in Jamaica. You know. They might make information to give to them people say, okay, you must use the herb.
That's right.
But the true I know is the ones that would master herb original because herb grow where? In where you have sun.
Sunshine.
So you have to about Africa, you have to about Asia with India. I have out in the Caribbean.
South and North.
Since all I have sun is herb people. Yeah, herb is a solar plant because the sun make it powerful. Like most plants, but I say what that plant is designed differently to the amount of
it's a total different plant.
Yes,
but, alright. Well, another aspect of the plant we want to look on, Zane, because today them have medical marijuana.
Yes.
And it's long time Rastaman I say boy, herb is medicinal.
Yes, I.
Zane, it's not yesterday.
Yeah.
We are talking about this thing.
Yeah.
Now, overseas now become medicinal.
Yeah.
Zane, because many people, as I say, have this
the Parkinson's, and the psychosis, really, yeah.
So you find out, say boy, them need
that
to deal with, deal with it. But what are the difference now between the medical marijuana and the ital marijuana?
Alright, you are going to know to still.